Today we're doing experiment 3, single displacement. We're going to be combining zinc and hydrochloric acid. So we're going to start by grabbing a 150 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask off of the shelf and putting it on our bench. And then we will be adding 15 milliliters of 6 molar hydrochloric acid solution. And since the reaction will produce a gas, we're going to make this a closed system. Now we need to go to the instruments and add a pressure gauge and a thermometer. So those are at standard temperature and pressure right now. And to start the reaction, we're going to add our zinc. In this case, we're adding 0.25 grams. And if we zoom in, we can see that a reaction is taking place because there are bubbles, which means a gas was produced, and the temperature has changed. It has gone up by several degrees. The pressure has increased also because of the gas produced. And here is our balanced equation.
So this is a balanced equation for the reaction we just saw take place. So we can see that 2 moles of aqueous hydrochloric acid reacts with 1 mole of solid zinc to create 1 mole of aqueous zinc chloride, which is the liquid still in the bottom of the flask, and 1 mole of hydrogen gas, which is the gas that we saw bubbling up when the reaction took place. So now we go back to the reaction, and we have to wait for this temperature to cool back down to within half a degree of STP temperature, room temperature, which is 21.5 degrees Celsius. So now that our temperature has cooled to within half a degree of 21.5 degrees Celsius, we can remove the thermometer and the pressure gauge, and we go to the Instruments tab, and we insert a syringe into the flask, and we can see the stopper rise up, which shows that there was production of a gas and an increase in the pressure of the gas. And then so we can see that about 92.5 milliliters of hydrogen gas was created. So we want to insert that into our lab notes. H2 gas. And so now we have finished the production of hydrogen gas and zinc chloride, so we dispose of all instruments used.